Hello, welcome to this video tutorial FLG Tutu Kindle. We are going to look at how to change the font face of your text in Microsoft Word. How to change the font face of your text in Microsoft Word. Alright, let's start. Let's open the document. Right, this is a document, and here we have difference between input and output device. So let's say we want to add a edit computer notes. Let's use computer notes. Okay, computer notes. All right, these are heading, and we want to change the font face. What we mean by font face is the font style, like this. You see, by default the font is what? Calibrate. Okay, that is the font. Okay, you can also come here to find out, go to font, sorry. And when you come to fonts, you see various fonts. Like here, like I said, the default here is Calibrate. So that is the default font. Okay, all right, we are going to change the font. This font Calibrate to another font. So that is what we want to do. The first thing you are going to do, you come here, you highlight or select, then you go to the arrow pointing down beside Calibrate, which is your current font. You click on the arrow. Here you will see various fonts that you can use. You can scroll to check and to use any font. Let's say I want to use the font Algerian. You click on it, immediately you see the font has changed, and as you can see here, the font has changed. The font now has changed to what? Algeria, not Calibrate. The previous was Calibrate. So now we have it as what? Algeria. You see, the style is different. Let's increase the size so we can get it right. Let's go to the previous. Look at the previous one, Calibrate. Okay, this is the font face, and then we change it to what? Algeria. You see, there's a difference here. All right. That is how you can change the font of your text in Microsoft Word. Okay, all right. You can subscribe on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, or on your YouTube search tab, you type Friday and select. Thank you for watching this video.